In the last tutorial, I noticed that I had this little step here in this wall. That's because your wall goes all the way up, but my wall has two more wall types on top of it as my stacked wall. And so I needed to expand the thickness of these two pieces to line up with the face of the gypsum board on the wall. So if we take a look now at that stacked wall, actually we can probably just click on it and say edit type and look at the preview. You can see that if I highlight it, that's one stacked wall. That's one wall assembly, which is actually how this wall would be built. And then if we take a look at this one, that was because, but I had this wall thicker, but I had this to be my wall like that. And I had this to be my wall like that. And so that's why we can see that notch in the wall. So I had to change those two walls. This one, I made a wall. It had to be 3 inches thicker. So I call it, this is wall 5. So I made it 5 plus 3. Watch what happens. See, now that got there. And then this one, I made a wall that was 3 inches thicker, and I called it wall 4 plus 3. So that's what I had to do in order to line that up. But you don't have that problem because your wall doesn't have these two walls on top of it. But I'm trying to draw the house as it'll actually be built. And in this class, we're trying to learn the basics of Revit. So there's a lot of flexibility in certain parts. Certainly there's no flexibility in your dimensions. So if we go back and take a look at it, you can see that until I made these walls, these two walls that I just showed you 3 inches thicker, it looked like that. And when I made those walls 3 inches thicker, you can see now that it's smooth all the way up. So in the next tutorial, I can see I have some more gypsum board. Remember, I put some gypsum board here. Now I need to put some more gypsum board here to kind of clean that up. So we'll stop right here.